Good morning. Good morning. It's breakfast time. We got us some cranberry juice. We eating light this morning. Some sliced tomatoes out of my garden. Bacon and 2 boiled eggs. And fruit dish. Bananas, mangoes, pineapples, and peaches. I ate heavy yesterday, so you can't eat heavy every day. But I got enough protein and sugar in this that will give me enough energy. This is my fresh tomato out of my garden. Ah, that was tasty. Now let's eat some of this fruit. Y'all know I love my fruit. I'm telling you, ain't nothing like a good fruit bowl. Look at that mango. Y'all get up and get y'all a breakfast. If you don't get nothing else today, get you a breakfast. Have a great day.